So in this video we will see how to download Python. So first of all you have to come to the google.com and you have to write Python download. So it will move you to the original website. This is www.python.org. So you have to click on this Python download. Here you can see the latest version for Windows, or if you're using Mac or Linux, it depends. So it is also available for Linux and Mac. So you have to download the latest version, right? Right now I have download 3.12.2. This is the latest version. So I'll click on this and the download is started. Now as download is completed, now you go to the downloads folder and this is the Python. Open this. Add Python exe. So you can say install now. So I'll just close this. So your Python has been downloaded. You can also check it here. You can see Python and this is the ideally. So this is the Python ideally. You can write here print hello world for just checking. So you can see it's working fine. It's printing hello world. So Python has been downloaded. Thank you for watching.